I make a lot of YouTube videos on different channels, but how do I get ideas for these videos? In this video today, I'm going to share with you a free tool, simple tool. It's actually from YouTube. So it's not even a third-party tool you can use to generate ideas or get ideas for videos. So if you are feeling stuck for video ideas, this tool can save your life. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Like and share this video so more people can see this. All right, so it's actually YouTube released this last year. But I find this super handy. Not many people use this. Here's what you're gonna do. Go to your YouTube channel, and then we're gonna go to the studio, YouTube Studio. So let's go to my YouTube Studio for this channel. And then you are gonna go to Analytics. So click on Analytics, and then on here, so here are different tabs: Overview, Content, Audience, everything. But this new tab was added, I wanna say about a year ago. But this is Goldmine, so Research. So click on this. And then here is different, explore what viewers are searching for on YouTube. So this is like a keyword tool that was released by YouTube. But here's the magic. You can search across YouTube. What I like to do is go inside your viewers' searches. So these are different search terms that my channel's viewers are searching on YouTube. So here you go, explore search terms relevant to your channel based on what your viewers and viewers of channels like yours are looking for on YouTube. So this is what they are already looking for. Click here, and then you'll start seeing different ideas: text to video AI. So recently I've created some AI tools and AI video tools, so this makes a lot of sense. Schedule Instagram posts. And here's the cool thing. What you want to notice is the content gaps. Content gap means this is what people are searching for, but there's a gap. They're not finding good content, they're not finding good videos, or there's an opportunity here. So one of the things you can do is actually just filter. So instead of all searches, you can do content gaps only and apply, and now it will show you the content gaps. Right now it looks like it's only one for my channel or this channel. Let me go back, and here are different channels or different searches that my viewers are searching for, or viewers like mine are searching for. So what you noticed here is when I find something that I like, that I know I'm gonna create a content on or video on, I just save it. And then what happens is there's another tab right here on top, save. When I click here, here are different ideas. So if you notice on my channel, I created a video about Social Blade, YouTube versus real income. I created a ton of videos about Facebook Reels, contacting Facebook live support, live chat. I've also made videos. So how did I get this idea? By following this process. Really simple and awesome kind of hidden tool. The other thing you can do is you can also use this as a keyword research tool. So I can come here, and then let's say I want to make video about Facebook Reels, hit enter, and then it will show me, and here's the search volume: high search volume, low search volume. It will, based on the keyword that I entered, it will give me different search terms. So I can go through this and then pick something that I like. So it will show you, you can use this as a keyword research tool, but it will also show you what your audience or audience like yours is already hungry for. They're already searching for this. So you can easily write down, note down unlimited content ideas for your YouTube channel. There are a couple of things here. So you can obviously filter by all searches, or if there are any content gaps. So it looks like Facebook Reels option not showing. Ooh, this is interesting, because I know there was a problem where when Facebook launched Reels on different pages, on Facebook pages, a lot of people were not able to see it. So there was a trick, and I made a video about this too. Facebook Reels public option not showing, saved Reels on Facebook. That's interesting. So I should save it because that's relevant to me. The other thing you can do is obviously different language. You can select. So it looks like there are 4 languages available right now, so you can do that. And also you can select the country where you want to do the research in. So this keyword tool, I want to say, by YouTube inside Research tab and your Analytics is Goldmine. Go there, get ideas. You'll get unlimited ideas for your YouTube channel or videos. If any questions about YouTube monetization, let me know in the comments. Before you go, like and share this video so more people can see this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.